Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to look at this integral of 2023 x plus 1 divided by x squared plus 2024 dx. This is an MIT integration B question, 2024 regular session. So let's solve this integral. So let's start off by splitting this integral into two different integrals. So this one can also be written as 2023 x divided by x squared plus 2024 dx, plus the integral of 1 divided by x squared plus 2024 dx. And 2023 is a constant, so one can come in front, and an integral of x over x squared plus 2024 plus the integral of 1 all over x squared plus 2024. But 2024, I'm going to write this one as square root of 2024 squared dx. Like this, there's dx here. I'm sorry about that. So with this one is integral 1 and this one is integral 2. For integral 1, I'm going to divide by 2 and multiply the numerator by 2 all over x squared plus 2024 dx plus the integral of 1 all over x squared plus the square root of 2024 squared dx. And with this one, we know that the second integral, if we have the integral of 1 all over x squared plus a squared dx, this is the same as 1 over a tan inverse, or the arctan of x over a. So our second integral is the arctan integral. So we can finish up our integral here. So this one becomes 2023 over 2. The differential of the denominator is the numerator, so this one becomes the natural logarithm of the denominator, which is x squared plus 2024 plus this is the arctan integral. So we have 1 over a is the square root of 2024 times the tan inverse, or the arctan of x over a is the square root of 2024 plus the constant of integration. So we can clean things up a little bit. I think it's already cleaned. So this is 2023 over 2 natural logarithm of x squared plus 2024 plus 1 over the square root of 2024 tan inverse of x over the square root of 2024 plus the constant of integration. And this is our integral of 2023 x plus 1 divided by x squared plus 2024 dx. Yeah, so this is the value of our integral. If you find that helpful, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.